Instagram Notes feature not working, easy fix. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you some of the ways on how you can fix if you're not being able to see the Instagram notes on your Instagram app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you're aware, Instagram recently released a feature called Instagram Notes. That is, if you open up Instagram and then you go to the DMs page from the top right hand side, and here you'll be able to see a little fancy text next to the people's profile name, and these are simply called Instagram Notes, which Instagram released officially. Now you might think this is a fancy little thing, you might also want to try this yourself, but then you realize that you do not have this option in your Instagram app. If I wanted to add a note, I would need to tap on the plus button. But if this feature is not showing up, there are a couple of reasons as to why this happens. So let's go ahead and outline each of those reasons. So as I said earlier, that since this is a new feature and an updated feature of Instagram, you have to open up your respective app stores. So if you're on Android, open up Google Play Store, and if you're on iOS, open up your Apple App Store, and in the search box you just want to type in Instagram. Once you type in Instagram in the search box, just check whether or not the Instagram app has an update available. So you can see my Snapchat app has an update button. If your Instagram also has an update, you'll see update instead of the open button, and that means that your Instagram app badly needs an update. It could also be missing and going to fix that notes feature that you badly wanted as well. So just go ahead and update it, whether you're on iOS or whether you're on Android. If that doesn't help you, then I'd recommend you to offload the app or maybe clear the cache if you're on Android. But if nothing works, then as I said, it could not be available in some parts of the region globally. So I would recommend you to uninstall the Instagram app first. Once you uninstall the Instagram app, go ahead and then open up your app store and then search for any of the other VPN apps. Once you connect your phone to a VPN or a virtual private network, now you can go ahead and then simply search for an Instagram app again, re-download it again using a VPN, and then re-log into your account again, and this time most likely you would be able to find the option. Hopefully one of these solutions may have worked for you, and if it did work for you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.